it is Dawn, one of your Dollywood Insiders, and my son,
Tyler.
We are here at Dollywood today, and we are going to have a meal at Aunt Granny's restaurant. So let's go in here, check out the food. One of the best restaurants here, I believe, in my books, Aunt Granny's. So we're gonna head in. Y'all, so we finished up our meal at Aunt Granny's. The way Aunt Granny's works is it is a family style all you can eat.
Yep.
It did used to be buffet, but is now family style, so you do get refills on your food, all you can eat. You have the choice of taking it's a different price for either 2 meats, 4 sides, and your single dessert for yourself and your drink, or you have the choice of 3 meats, 4 sides, and your drink and dessert. We went with the 3 meats this time. We had fried chicken, baked chicken,
and pot roast. Yep.
Sides, we had macaroni and cheese, corn, pinto beans, and with the gravy. Yep. And we got the gravy on the side. Tyler had cinnamon bread pudding for dessert, and I had, it was like a strawberry blueberry crisp. Everything was delicious. Our service was great. We highly suggest Aunt Granny's.
It's probably one of our favorite places to eat in the park.
Absolutely. We love Aunt Granny's. So when you're in Dollywood, yeah. And the value, I mean, and oh, don't forget, if you are a gold pass holder, you get to use your discount. So we appreciate you coming along with us to eat. We do highly recommend Aunt Granny's. So all right guys, we will see you on the next one.